guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Cassandra and this is That Thomas Life. If you are already subscribed, welcome back, and if you are new, please consider hitting that red subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. I do a lot of cleaning videos like this, decorating, organizing, all kinds of fun mommy videos and content. Today we're going to be doing a part 2 from the last video. This is going to be for the kitchen. It was a mess, as you are able to see. So yeah, let's get to cleaning and I'll talk to you guys soon.
My phone lights up, but it's never you. I can't help but feel so lonely. I know there's things that I can't undo. I'm falling apart so slowly. We come alive when we're faded. The summer nights that we're chasing. Want this feeling to last forever, forever. I know it's hard for you to stay, but I can make it another day without you, without you. Feel so lonely. I know there's things that I can't undo.
All right, guys, took a little break, put the curtains back up. They were done. This little half is set, so that's all Easter decorations, and then just some stuff I have to put away. What are you doing?
I'm blowing.
Okay. She's helping me. I cleared the couple of like Easter little things we had there. And then just over here. Put the plant down, little girl. So over here, of course, she's putting stuff here that doesn't need to be. So like I said, this comes off here. So you can use it as like a step ladder for an adult. I use it all the time. So I'll link that. Of course, Adriana put everything on here, but I put my muffins that I made in the Bake With Me, which I'll put either in a card or at the bottom. They were really good. Me and Adriana ate like all of them. And then my really tall vases, I think the vases are 18 inches. And I bling them out for a demo for an event that has now gotten canceled. I don't know if they're going to push it back or not. And then I have this little baker's rack here with my husband's. It's a book bag and lunchbox in one. It's really cool. It's called Tour It. I'll link it below. It's on Amazon. It wasn't terribly expensive, but it's like really cool. So yeah, we got a little more cleaning to do. And then the kitchen and dining room are done. Hey guys, alright, so I'm gonna share. I really like having this either at night or whenever I'm in the mood for something and, you know, don't really want to go to Starbucks, especially right now. They sell these frozen bean brand little like frappe mixes at Walmart. Cotton candy, unicorn frap, bubblegum, frozen hot chocolate, mocha latte, and java chip. They are so good. So that is what we're gonna make. I only do iced, so I already have 5 ounces of milk in there. I like it with milk, it tastes so much better. And then I'm gonna do like a cup of crushed ice, put this in there and blend. Let's see.
Cover them up so